bitches, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing this kind of look. I really like this look. As you see, I'm slaying this pink wig from Wigs and Grace. It's their Donatella, I don't even know, but you know, stay hydrated, LMFAO. Oh my god, I'm so cringy. I'm so sorry. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And if you haven't already subscribed or liked this video, or like, I don't know, just do your shit. So for the palette I'm using today is this Morphe 35B palette, and I forgot to press film, but basically as you see, I just put that pink shade right on my lid and I just blended it out so it's all perfect. And then I basically took this NYX Vivid Brights yellow eyeliner and just did a winged liner. So I don't know. I think I can't remember, but someone told me that I was going to do a pink and yellow look when I got this pink wig when I showed you, and then like one of my fans DM'd me like, you have to do it, and I said, hell yeah, I'm doing that shit. So this is what I came up with. I think I already did a pink and yellow look. Actually, I did do a pink and yellow look. It was kind of the same, pink on the eyes and then yellow on the inner corner. But to be honest, these are like my two favorite shades, pink and yellow, and like a light blue are like my favorite shades out there. They're like so fucking pretty, so that's why, you know, I'm doing this today. I probably should have done a blue, and by the way, yes, I do know that I'm wearing an orange shirt. I'm sorry, I wasn't thinking, so just like get into it. So yeah, this is the final look with the eyeliner done, and now I'm going in with the iconic lashes. This is not the packaging for them, I kind of broke it, but basically what I did with these lashes, I did that Instagram trick. I kind of made them a little bit more like fluffier, not so like put together, but I really love these lashes. Like, these are probably some of my favorite lashes out there, especially for this kind of look when it's like a winged liner, because it like flares out on the outer corner. So yeah, now we're going into the face, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Primer, like the Pro Filter Soft Matte. I don't really even know, and I'm just spreading that out evenly around my face, you know, because we have to have an even blend or whatever. And then I'm going with my favorite foundation, the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Like, bitch, this is the shit. This is O2 Natural, by the way. It's my shade color. And you know, it's really weird because like my Lancome foundation that I have now, it's so much more lighter on me, but it's still matte. Like, these two foundations will match my skin tone, like either way. It's like really trippy, but that's cool, whatever. And now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. This is probably one of the best. It actually is like what was it, like America's #1 best concealer. Like, this is the stuff, to be honest. Like, this is really the stuff. And I'm in Light Sand, by the way. I used to do Fair, but that's too pink, so I just went in with Light Sand. I love this concealer so much. Everyone has to try it out. Like, I mean, everyone has to try this shit out. Like, if it's sis, you have to. And also, this is the Airspun Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm just taking my Morphe sponge, by the way, and I am just pressing that into my under eyes and my concealer areas, and I'm going with 004 Sandstorm from Rimmel, their Stay Matte Powder. Now I'm going with one of my favorite bronzers. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in Rosewood. It is their lightest bronzer from their line, and yes, you know, I'm not doing my lace. You know, I was not gonna glue this shit down. I'm okay with being clocked a little bit. Like, I don't really care that much. Like, I was just like, no. And first of all, because the glue that I have, the Got2b glue, like, breaks out my fucking forehead, so I need to find new ones. So if you guys have any good glues, then leave down below. Anyway, I just took the pearlescent pink blush from Wet n Wild, and y'all already know this highlighter. This is the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. This highlighter is so good. It can be, like, so light, like, not too much, or it can be like that bitch, you know? So you just have to, it can work for either way, like whatever you want to do, you feel me? Sorry, that was my mom. Um, and now I'm just contouring my nose with my e.l.f. fan brush, and then I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer as the bronzer. Taking this 213 brush by Morphe, and I'm just highlighting my nose, my bridge, and I'm making basically an exclamation point on my nose with highlighter and on my brow bone as well. And I also use the Morphe 500 and the 501. 500 was for the bronzer and 501 was for the highlighter. And I used the 441 brush for the eyes. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this look. I fucking love it. I don't know about, bitch, look how fucking good I look. Come on. I look good, you know? So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Like, just give it a thumbs up while you're at it, you know. And also, my videos are gonna pop up sooner or later. But you know, yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. All my social links will be listed down below as well. And yeah, here's just me posing or whatever. And I love you guys so much. Definitely check out my Instagram. Everything will be listed down below or whatever. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.